Yo, what's up guys? My name is Waddy, and today we're going to be unboxing the PNY GeForce RTX 5070 Ti with 16 gigabytes of GDDR7. Now, the current graphics card I have in my computer right now is a RTX 3060 Ti, and I figured might as well make that upgrade. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything that comes in this guy's box, as well as how to connect and install this into your computer. Should be pretty simple all around. There's only one really big connector, and you got to connect those 8-pin cords. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and switch over to the desk cam, and let's unbox this thing. And now that we are at the desk cam, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So let's get my trusty knife right here, and let's get this thing going. Cut this open, put that to the side. Try not to shake my desk so much, that way you guys can actually see what all is happening. So open up this bad boy, flap that, remove the foam. We're handed with our quick install guide by NVIDIA. If my camera wants to focus, there we go. Hold up. It's not really focusing, but it's fine. Looks like we're given a single, let me see, single connector to trip connector cord with it. So depending on your guys' PC build and the graphics sets, you might need to use that. So we'll go ahead and do that. Let's get this guy out of the box as carefully as possible, because I don't want to ruin a brand new graphics card that I haven't even been able to use. Oh my lord, why is this foam so sticky? Bruh, I just took the whole thing apart. We'll throw that down. Alright, let's get you out. Okay, there we go. And here we have it. I'll let you guys get an up close view. We got the PNY logo on the fans. This is a triple fan graphics card, so it's going to be a little bit bigger, so you're going to want to make sure that if you want this exact graphics card, to please make sure that your guys' case fits it. The case, or the graphics card size will be listed. I'll also list this guy, because I bought this one on Amazon, because I have that Amazon Prime same day delivery. So I'll list that link in the description below for you guys. It does give you a warning to say take off the static before you touch this thing. Your hands don't naturally have too much static. Obviously, each person has electricity going through them always, otherwise you wouldn't be able to survive. But all you gotta really do is just not be kind of a ding-dong and be normal with it. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and take this guy out. Okay. Out of the package it comes. This is gonna be the top side of it that most people would see. It's very cool because we have a metal connecting point here. Obviously the PNY right there, GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, RGBs on this guy. Plastic top cover. Let's go ahead and flip it over to the fan side. Dude, this thing has some heft to it. It's a little heavy. Triple fans going right here. PNYs on all of them. Boom, boom. Let's go ahead and move this over. Reverse side. Looks like you are given, my camera wants to focus. Looks like you're given 3 display port inputs and 1 HDMI input with this graphics card, so keep that in mind. You can also see where the RGB is going to go, because this graphics card is a full RGB graphics card, so that's cool. Alright, let's see here. There is our connecting point right here. If I can get my hands across it without completely being stupid, there is where our pin connector goes. So that's where this bad boy is going to take place. You're going to put that guy right there, and then depending on your power supply, you got to connect these 8-pin cables to it. So now that we have this guy unboxed, I'm not going to take all the plastic off of it yet until we get to the installation process, but I think that's where we go next. I think we got the unboxing bit done. It is now time to take apart my PC currently and put it in my computer. So let's get to that now. So this is what my PC currently looks like on the inside. I'm rocking the H9 NZXT Flow case. We have NZXT Kraken as our CPU cooler. We have 10 fans total. This is the graphics card that I currently have, GeForce RTX 3060 Ti by Asus. So we need to, one, get rid of this guy, but we are actually...
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Upgrading our case to the Y70 Touch Infinite. So not only do we have to get rid of this guy, but we have to take everything out of this and transfer it into that guy. So let's do that real quick and I'll show you what it looks like after. Okay, my friends, after some time, I was finally able to get our 5070 Ti into my new H9 Flow case. So at the end of it, this is what it looks like. It is vertically mounted because that's the way that this case works. But you got all 3 fans right there, full RGB on that, full RGB on that. And if we come around here, we see RGB on the backside as well. So honestly, beautiful looking graphics card, beautiful on the inside of this case. It pops really well. And just like that, guys, we have our graphics card put into our new PC case. Now there's a couple things I want to go over real quick before this video ends. The one being the RGB lighting for this, because this is a full RGB lit graphics card that uses full software. So I want to go over the software with you guys a little bit. That way you know what to download, what to get, and kind of what works. So first things first, let's go ahead and switch over real quick. This is going to be where you want to download your guys' software at. Okay, this is the PNY website. You're going to be looking for Velocity X. I will link it in the description below. This is where you're going to download. All you're going to do is click this download link right here, and once it downloads, go ahead and run it. It's going to pop up this guy right here. This is going to be your main panel. It's going to show everything that is connected for you. So like for me, it's showing my graphics card, but it's also showing my Samsung SSD 2 terabyte for some reason. It's all good though. But anywho, make sure you're selected on your graphics card. You just go ahead and go over to this lighting tab. It's going to give you a preview of all 3 sides, which is really nice. That way you guys know what you're looking at. In the lighting tab here, you're going to be able to change every little bit of lighting however you want to do it. If you want to go one by one, or if you want to go by setting. So like, for example, right now we're on the rainbow setting, which is pretty cool. We can go ahead and speed it up, change it however we want. All you're going to do is click right here. You can go for mode. So it has all these preset cycled modes. So we can do like a breath where it kind of like comes in and out. It's kind of cool. You can change the color for that. So like, let's say you wanted it blue. This is going to be what it looks like. This is totally separate from this, so you got to make sure that both are matching when you're doing it. You can do a little neon effect. That's kind of cool. Let's go with wave. Wave looks sick. Hey, wave is kind of cool. We'll speed it down a little bit. Yeah. You can change the brightness of it, and depending on what mode you guys use, you can. If you really don't want anything, you can turn it off if you really want to. But for me, whoa, streamer is kind of cool. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it with the neon effect. I think the neon is pretty cool and looks the best in my opinion. If you really wanted to, you can go full hands down color for color. You can change anything you want about this. It works perfectly. It also will tell you your performance here, so like it shows you your BIOS are updated, drivers. You can change the fan speed. You can have it set to auto if you wanted to, or not. It's up to you. Your performance, so it shows you your temperature, your core clock, your memory clock, your GPU loading. Gives you your clock speeds down here. You can do an OC scan if you want to. There is a lot of stuff you can do with this software besides the lighting, so I highly recommend, if you are getting this graphics card, please download this software. It's going to save you in the long run, where you can access your lighting, that way you can get the full version of your graphics card, but then it's also going to save you in the small run where you can figure out if something needs to be changed. Like, let's say your GPU is overheating, you'll be able to see that stats here listed, and you can fan speed that up if you really need to. So that is going to be the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I said, I will link the graphics card from a couple websites, and I will also link the software for it in the description below. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like on it. This graphics card is a really great graphics card. I highly recommend anybody getting it. It is a 5070 Ti, but it's one that's not going to break your budget. On Amazon, I got this for just about $1,100. Most 5070 Ti's are anywhere from the range of $1,000 to $1,500 right now in today's market. So this is going to be a cheaper end 5070 Ti, which is why I highly recommend it, because it's still going to give you that FPS boost. For me, going from the 3060 Ti to a 5070 Ti, I was capping anywhere from 140 frames per second. Now I'm getting anywhere from 270 to 300 frames per second with the way that my computer is built. So it's definitely going to be worth the budget, worth the money. Please, like I said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. I'm Wadi. Have a great rest of your guys' day. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, y'all.